How to change date and time format in laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your Windows and then search for change date and time format, and it will directly lead you in this website. So go to settings and over there search for change date and time format and go over there. After that, you will be able to see the format here. And you can change it from here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.